Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to today's 7-day Get Fit Challenge, where we are continuing our journey to be more fit, to be healthier, and also to lose some weight in the process. Now, today's workout is phase 2 of our Get Fit journey. If you've not yet done the first phase, which is a 14-day challenge, and that was geared towards my beginners, my senior crew, and those that are easing back into working out, then I definitely encourage you to do that first and then jump into this phase, which, you guys, the format is the same as last time, 5 minutes of cardio, whether that cardio be dance, walking, or a combination of the two. And I will leave the link to my 5-minute cardio dance playlist in the description, also up there in the link, followed by this workout that I'm showing you today, which is going to be 5 exercises. Each one is going to be 1 minute in duration. We're going to flow one right into the other. But the difference between this phase and the first phase is we are actually going to provide more resistance by using weights. So choose weights that is going to challenge you, but it will not compromise your form, you guys. If you don't have weights, then use something that will in fact provide you with more resistance, such as some water bottles or some cans. Now, before we get into this workout, there's one thing that I want to remind you about, as I did in phase 1, and that is nutrition. It is so important, particularly as we age, to fuel our bodies with nutrient-rich, high-protein foods. That word fuel, you guys, I just had to pause there for a second. Fuel. Okay, when you think of fuel, a lot of times we think of what we put in our vehicles. And just think about this, you guys. If there is no fuel in our vehicles, then what is it going to do? It's not going to operate. It's not going to function. It's just a piece of tin sitting there, okay? So think of that along the terms of what we need for our bodies as well. We need to fuel our bodies so that they function properly. And if you need some ideas and suggestions of the things that you can eat, I've got that covered to you guys. Check it out in my description, because I cook here on this channel as well. And I've got you covered as far as breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts. So having said all that, you guys, I'm ready to work out. And if you are too, then carve yourselves out some space, get yourselves some weights, and without further ado, let's get fit together. All right, everyone, we're going to start with some squats, weights on these thighs. Slow, controlled movements. And when we come up, squeeze these glutes. And as always, keep this abdominal muscles pulled in back towards your spine. Protect your back. Make sure we always maintain proper form and technique throughout, so that we can get the benefits of these exercises and not injure ourselves. Coming up next, we are going to work these inner thighs. Give me one more, you guys. Now turn these feet out. Keep these weights on your thighs. I'm doing it slow to start, just so you can see the movements. So we go down, pulse, and up, and then we're going to alternate lifting the left, right heels. And when you get the rhythm, then you can increase the timing of it if you feel up to it. But go at your own pace. Just a few more, and we're gonna flow right into some Russian deadlifts. All right, you guys. Weights down in front of you, and remember, when you come up, the hinge is from these hips, not from this back. And then once again, you come up, squeeze these glute muscles. And you can definitely feel the backs of these thighs getting the benefit of this movement along with these glutes. I love this exercise for these hamstrings, you guys. Okay, last one. Up next, we are going to do some knee crunches. Weights up, okay? Left, right, knee up. Excellent work. Form check. Where are those abs? You got it, you guys. This is an excellent abdominal routine. You feel this core at work, but we do it in a standing position without having to go down to this floor. And of course, having these weights provide us with some extra resistance, which means that these muscles are working harder. One more, left and right. Okay. Hammer curl, lift, down, and return. Showing these arms some love. Love this exercise because it's a compound move. We're getting some biceps, some shoulders in this. Absolutely love this one. Ten seconds left, you guys. And last one, congratulations. You have finished day one of our 7-day challenge, or it may be day 7, depending upon where you are in this cycle. Excellent work. High five, you guys. And once again, just as a reminder, okay, choose weights that are going to challenge you, but will not compromise your form. So in other words, what you do is when you get to maybe the last 2 repetitions, if it feels like you are fatiguing, but you can just muscle through, all right, that is the weight that you need to be at. If you cannot get through half of this, then that's kind of like an indication that the weights are too heavy for you. Take it down a notch, all right? So also, you guys remember, nutrition, nutrition, nutrition. Check it out in my playlist. And then also remember to hydrate. And if you need a cool down, I've got you covered there as well in my description, also up there in the link. So I want to thank you guys so very much for being here as a community where we are working and striving to be the best that we can possibly be, especially again, you guys, as we age. It's so key critical that we stay on top of our nutrition as well as moving our bodies so that we can continue to live vibrant, independent lives. So you guys, on that note, as I always say here, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon. And one other thing, please do remember to leave it in the comments and let us all know as a community, okay, where you started and how you're feeling right now, because it is my goal, my objective, my prayer, okay, that you are feeling the very best that you possibly can. All right, you guys, I will see you all real soon, and thanks for joining us.